Hi friends, think about it. What is one of the worst places to start manufacturing? That place has to have high labor costs, high taxes, high cost of living, and really expensive land. California is the place where Tesla choose to build their cars. The advantage, of course, is the pool of talents out there, but I think it outweighs many disadvantages. In this video, I'm going to talk about how China will massively change the landscape for Tesla, and it is key to Tesla for world domination. From Bloomberg, Tesla plans to start shipping cars out of Shanghai Gigafactory. China-built Model 3s for export will start mass production in the fourth quarter and includes markets like Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, and as well as Europe before the Germany Gigafactory. I saw coverage on this on the Tesla community, but I've yet to see much emphasis on this news. It is a much bigger deal than most people think. So in this video, I want to talk about how big this is. I have three major points, or I call it the three pillars. Technology, the first pillar. Do you understand how big of a news this is? To get a bigger understanding, we need to take a look at Apple. Apple have been making billions because of cooperation with factories in China. Cheaper manufacturing driving Apple profits so high. Apple has like 13.5% market share of the smartphone markets, but take 90% of global profits. The same is going to happen for Tesla, but I'll talk about that later. Apple takes quite a lot of heat for production in China. Tons of politicians screaming at Apple to bring manufacturing back to the US. Again, I'm sorry to say, but US do not have the technology to make what Apple wants. There are a lot of articles on this. It is not just the US. Let's say if Apple wants to shift production to Singapore, a more tax-friendly country, highly skilled labor, efficient, but we do not have what it takes to make an iPhone to the scale China has it. Tim Cook said it last year. He needs a rare combination of craftsmanship-like skills, sophisticated robotics, and computer science. That combination is a system that has been built over time in countries like China who has made that investment. Tesla's touchscreen is made in China. Elon mentioned nobody could do it at Tesla's specifications, quality, and time except China. Logistics, the second pillar. There is no country with a better logistics infrastructure. You should go to China to experience what is efficiency. I remember many years ago, shipping a product from overseas will cost you a bomb. Do you remember those days? These days, China's logistics is so efficient, the cost of shipping is negligible. Let's say you ship a package. Shipping from China will be cheaper compared to shipping from a nearer country, generally speaking. As of now, China is still building out their Belt and Road Initiative, creating a huge infrastructure for logistics. What will this do for Tesla? Increase margins and lowering costs for customers. When it comes to suppliers, though Tesla is one of the most integrated companies I know, they have hundreds of suppliers. Like I mentioned above, the touchscreen is made in China. China's business ecosystem is crazy big, and being close to your suppliers again saves you plenty of time and money. Building cars in China is a logistic win. Labor, the third pillar. It is not a secret that made in China Model 3s are better quality. When it comes to labor, China takes the cake. This is because in China, manufacturers can ask a large number of engineers to work on the required manufacturing overnight. As they have an abundant supply of labor force, this allows them to finish a large capacity of workload quickly. The US simply cannot employ 250,000 workers overnight. This makes China a flexible and capable supplier. Let's come back to Apple. Yes, Apple is reaping the awards, the financial awards, but this is because China has an abundance of hardworking people with the right skills. They are willing to accept demanding jobs. Such jobs are standard to millions of Chinese workers, including those who have the technical skills. You guys know I'm from Singapore. If you ask a Singaporean to work 16 hours a day, so what does all this mean? Over the long run, I see Tesla China doing the most of the heavy lifting. Giga Shanghai Phase 2 main structure already completed in just 8 months. Tesla is growing as fast as they can in China. Tesla China will bring in billions of dollars. The best margins will be made from cars in China. Wrapping up this video, this week's episode highlights Tesla's ever-growing lead, and it's still not too late to invest in Tesla. Battery day is coming. You have to be a long-term investor. That means buying and doing nothing. Regardless what happens, Tesla can swing up and down like a wild roller coaster ride. The world haven't realized how big of a deal Tesla is yet. Too many dumb ass around. By the time these dumb asses started to buy the stock price would not be cheap. So if you find this video useful, a thumbs up would be so awesome. And as always, invest safe.